Okay, so we're going to look at another video here where we're going to join our online class via a link in an email. So whenever your tutor, before a class, whenever you have a class, your tutor will post a little link on Classroom just as a reminder that your class will begin probably about 15 minutes before class. And when your tutor posts that link, you get an email sent to your Warrenmount email address. So we're going to look at how we join the class via the email. So we'll just press play on this video and we'll watch, and I'll point out things as they happen here. So in your Gmail account, you'll get an email from your tutor and it will say new announcement. So the tutor will post a link. So you open up that email and inside will be a little button to press to bring you to your classroom. So when you open it up, it'll look something like this. And you can see there's a little button that says open. So if you click on that, it'll bring you to the post that the teacher has posted. So in this case, it's a link to join the class. So it will look like this. So when you click it, it will bring you to this page automatically. And so it looked like this, and I'll just highlight here. You can see it's this part here, which will bring you to your online class. So again, you click on that and it will bring you to this page here. Okay. And so like we saw in our other video, we have our mute button, we have our camera on and off. There's me popping up there. So we press mute, camera off, and then we're going to join the class, which is this button over here. And again, we just have to wait for the teacher to join the class and we'll be able to access the online class. Okay.